Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. Hope you guys are staying safe, and please let me know of any comments, and if you like this video or any other videos, um, please like, subscribe, and comment below. Let's get started. Today we're gonna be texturing and also shading the dream Pokeball. This one it's been a bit hard because we can't see much of the details from this angle. So pretty much had to try to get this to stop and see how they look. So we're gonna do something fairly close. Okay. All right. So let's go into our UV editing. Okay. And then let's actually hide our button for now. Let's go into our material, then select the bottom. Okay, everything is selected. That looks good. Now UV, then unwrap. Excellent. Then what we're gonna do is create a new image ×2 and copy the bottom. Okay, so dream UV. All right, that looks great. Then go to your image, save as, dream UV, no compression. Excellent. All right, now go where you saved it and open it in either, I recommend Illustrator or Affinity Designer. I'll be using Affinity Designer. Sorry, I made a mistake. Export, go to UV, export layout, UV layout. There we go. Excellent. Replace that, and then now let's reopen it. Okay, should be getting something like this. Awesome. Then now let's create our, it kind of looks like a neuron image. Just gonna have like these tentacle things. All right, so let's zoom in. Center it. Excellent. Make sure that that's the center. Yeah. All right. Or close to it. Actually, yes. Then I'm gonna do a 250. Okay. And take it almost all the way down. Then duplicate this layer multiple times. Okay. Actually, before doing that, let's change our pivot point to the center. Okay, then duplicate it. All right, let's transform our rotation to 90, negative 90, $125, and let's duplicate this one a couple of times. Excellent. Negative 125. Duplicate this one again, and 160. Negative 160. All right, we're pretty much halfway there. For this one, we're gonna be doing about 1,100. Also something like that, and then yeah, actually that should be good. Okay, that looks great. After that, select all of your strokes. Perfect, and then go to layers and span strokes. Combine them. That looks great. Okay. There we go. Now we're gonna use the corner tool. Whatever is that called in your software. Okay, let me move this to the top and let's change this color just so we can see better to that. Excellent. Now for the metal one, let me zoom in. For the metal one, we're gonna take it just a tiny bit back, and in the texture it's gonna seem aligned with the other ones. Okay. After that, we're gonna go to these two and pretty much do the same thing. But this time they're gonna be much wider. Around there it kind of works. Let's actually increase the size. About there should be fine. And another thing to do is let's make this color something that we could see in contrast. And let's move them just a tiny bit. There we go. Yeah, I think that would work. That's gonna work awesome. Okay. And let's increase the size of this just a bit. About there. Awesome. Change the color to white. Alright, and then change the background color. Let's take the stroke out There we go. We are pretty much halfway done by this point. Okay, save. Yes. All right, excellent. So reload image. Excellent. Now we need to assign it to the bottom. Go to shading. All right. Awesome. That looks great. And then to recolor it, we're gonna be using a convert color ramp. Okay, constant. And then for the white, we're going to be doing I believe is DF1 DC. Actually, that was for that side, and then for the black, let's do let's actually do the same color. We just copy it. And then change it to like a darker, just a saturation, increase the brightness. Something about there. That looks great. Excellent. For the top, I'm gonna be creating something similar, but instead of this, we're gonna be using the where is the gradient texture? Okay. Quadratic sphere. Okay, change it to object. Perfect. And for the Z, we're gonna do -.75. Okay. And for the rotation, we're gonna change the rotation on the X to -38. Perfect. Now let's add a convert color ramp. All right, change that to constant. All right, and go like around about there. Yeah, I think that looks good. All right, and for our colors, let's do this one is gonna be FF 277.2. And for this one, let's do the same color we just did, the bottom. And awesome. there we have it. All right, thank you guys. This is the dream ball. Let me know if you guys like these tutorials. Please like and subscribe. We're gonna be testing out soon the new blender with the particle nodes and all that kind of cool stuff. All right, thank you guys for watching. Bye.